So we're here today at the Boston training facility for Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating. What I wanted to show you was the resource that we have here right in our backyard. All the application engineers for design, training facility for installation, service and maintenance are right here in Southborough, Massachusetts. Today we're going to meet with Rick Nort's area manager. Why don't we come on inside and take a look. So why Mitsubishi? One of the most important things with whatever equipment you decide to put in your home is the installing contractor and the distributor that's gonna back you up. We're here today with Rick Nort's area manager, Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating at the Boston training facility. Rick, would you just show us around and tell us, what happens when our guys come here to get trained?
Sure. So we opened this training center a couple of years ago, and what we did was we set up all of this equipment that's all working equipment to be used for contractors like Marky Meacham to come in here with your service technicians to actually work on this equipment and train all of our installing contractors how to service the equipment. Mm-hmm. It's one thing to be able to have equipment in the field, but we want to make sure that if something goes wrong, all of our contractors know how to fix problems that happen in the field. So what we do is we use this for training on equipment, and we also do sales training here, and any other kind of training that is requested by our contractors.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you mind if we just kind of walk through and
Sure.
Just show people what Meacham would be installing at their home?
Sure.
So this is typically the size of the 30 and 36,000 multi-zone that's going to be outside. This would be the size of the larger single zone. Right here would be the largest indoor section that you would see. We install a lot of the 18,000 BTU hyperheats. This is the size of the cabinet. So and then the multi-zone equipment, these are some more options that we have on the indoor units. A floor mounted wall unit, okay, and again the smaller cabinet on the wall-mounted units, the higher ones, okay. This is typically the size of the 9 and 12,000 BTU single zone, okay. The 18 single zone is a little bit taller, like we showed over there, okay. So on the multi-zone and single zone, in some cases we may use a ducted unit, and as we spoke about earlier, ductwork can have a little bit of a loss to it, but in some applications we need to use it. Again, multi-zone and single zone ducted unit, so we could have like a traditional type of a system with ductwork with diffusers. Okay. So we have high wall-mounted units, floor-mounted units, ducted units, and ceiling cassette units. We use this unit a lot of times on a room that has an attic above or a second floor where we just want to cool wide open space. So why don't we take a ride out in the field, and we'll show some of Meacham's installations in live working order and see what our customers have to say.